Yes, good afternoon. Good afternoon, students. See, in the last class, we are discussed actually quadratic equations concept, no? Quadratic equations in that quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So using this formula, so we are solving sub problems, right? No? So we are in the which exercise now? 10.3. Yeah, we are discussing actually 10.3. 10.3 exercise is not over because it's a big exercise, right now. So up to sixth problem, not sixth, fifth problem we finished in the last class. Up to fifth problem we finished in the last class, actually exercise 10.3. So now we have to continue with the sixth problem, right now. So we have to discuss sixth problem. So for that I'll share the page. Okay, you just see that page in that solution is there. I'll explain the steps. Okay, sixth problem. So now we have to discuss the sixth problem. See, here you have the sixth question. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. Okay, so let us try to understand the first statement. Diagonal of a rectangular field. Diagonal, you all know diagonal. Okay, rectangular field is 60 meter more than the shorter side. 60 meter more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side, longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. Find the sides of the field. Okay, yes. So now, which one we have to take x actually? Shortest side we have to take x, no? So ABCD is a rectangular field. Here we are taking ABCD is a rectangular field where DB is the diagonal. DB is the diagonal. We are taking x be the shortest side. X be the shortest side ಆದರೆ diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side ಅಂದ್ರೆ diagonal is 60 plus x no x plus 60 okay shortest side ಗಿಂತ 60 more in the sense 60 plus x now so if the longer side is another one longer side of the rectangle is 30 meter more than the shorter side so then it is x plus 30 x plus 30 okay so find the sides of the field find the sides of the field so we are taking actually rectangle property you all know this AB is equal to DC then AD is equal to BC so if DA is the shortest side then AB is the longest side among the four sides no okay so AB and DC both are equal sides so we are considering AD is the shortest side, then AB is the longest side in the four sides. Okay. So AB and DC both are equal. Then AB and DC are the longest sides. Okay. AD and BC are the small sides. Both are equal. So then here we are taking the help of diagonal. So in rectangle you all know. So here the angle is 90 degree, right? No. So here we will get right angle triangle. So which concept we can use here actually? Pythagoras theorem. Yes, Kavya, here you can take the help of Pythagoras theorem. So now here AD which is equal to x, AB is x plus 30 and DB is 60 plus x. According to statement, we have written this one. Okay. Now, according to Pythagoras theorem, square on the hypotenuse which is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. So, DB square which is equal to AD square plus AB square. So, AD square plus AB square is equal to DB square. So, Pythagoras theorem. AD measurement is x square plus AB is x plus 30 whole square is equal to DB square is x plus 60 whole square. Then here x square plus here we have to apply a plus b whole square identity that is x square plus 60x plus 900 which is equal to here also we have to apply a plus b whole square formula. So that is x square plus 120x plus 3600. So now in both sides we are seeing that x square same common that is cancelled. Then x square plus 60x plus 900 is equal to 120x plus 3600 is remaining. Take this 120x and 3600 to this side. Then what you will get actually x square plus 60x plus 900 minus 120x minus 3600 which is equal to 0. Then after simplification, x square minus 60x minus 2700 is equal to 0. So this is the required quadratic equation. Got the quadratic equation now? Yes, x square minus 60x minus 2700 is equal to 0. Now using quadratic formula, you have to find the value of x, that is shortest side. A is equal to 1 here, B is equal to minus 60 and C is equal to minus 2700. So then quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then minus b, that is minus of minus 60 in the sense plus 60 plus or minus b square, that is minus 60 whole square is 3600 minus 4 into a value is 1, c value is minus 2700 divided by 2 into 1 which is equal to 2. So next page 60. See here we are continuing this problem. 60 plus or minus 3600 plus 10800 divided by 2. So 60 plus or minus 14,400, square root of 14,400 divided by 2. Then 60 plus or minus, here when we remove the square root of this 14,400, here the answer is 120. Square root of 14,400 is 120 divided by 2. Then x is equal to 60 plus 120 by 2, or x is equal to 60 minus 120 divided by 2. X is equal to here 180 by 2. Here x is equal to minus 60 by 2. Then x is equal to 90. X is equal to minus 30. Here which value we have to choose actually? Shortest side of the rectangular field. So it cannot be negative, no? So we have to neglect this x is equal to minus 30. We have to neglect. So we have to take the positive value, that is x is equal to 90. So the breadth cannot be negative. Okay, so shortest side cannot be negative actually. X is equal to 90 we are taking actually, that is 90. Then length 90 plus 30, another one side x plus 30 is there now, that is 90 plus 30 is 120. Got the idea of this one? Breadth and length. Breadth is 90 meter and length is 120 meter. Very simple topic no students. This is using Pythagoras theorem. We got the quadratic equation. Got the idea of this problem? Yes. So now we have to move to 7th question. So 7th question is like this. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers. Find the two numbers. The difference of squares of two numbers is. The difference of the squares of the two numbers is 180. Next, the square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. So find the two numbers. So then which one we have to take x here? Okay, so let the large number be x. We are taking the large number be x. So then square of small number which is equal to 8 times of the large number. Once again I will repeat the question. Okay, here we are considering actually large number as x, large number. Okay, once again I'll see the textbook for this because here the question is not visible now. One second, let the large number be x. Then here what is given actually, the square of the smaller number is. The square of the smaller number is, so 8 times the larger number. Square of small number be 8 times of the larger number, in the sense 8 into x. So then here small number the square actually, they are telling that square of the small number. So small number square is equal to 8x. Small number square is equal to 8x. Then small number which is equal to root 8x. Got the idea of this one? Small number which is equal to root 8x. So then first statement, we have to again read the first statement. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. the difference of squares of two numbers, difference of the squares of the two numbers. Larger number is x, square of that one is x square, minus small number is root 8x, then square of that one is square root of 8x whole square, which is equal to 180. Square of the large number next to minus square of the small number, which is equal to 180. This is according to statement. Then x square is x square only. Square root of 8x square. Square root of 8x square. How can you work out this one? Square root of 8x square. How we got 8x actually? Here square root of square root get cancelled. So 8x is remaining here. Okay, which is equal to 180. Now x square minus 8x, then take this 180 to this side minus 180, which is equal to 0. X square minus 8x minus 180, which is equal to 0. Then here we got the quadratic equation. We got the quadratic equation. A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 8, C is equal to minus 180. Okay, now you have to take the quadratic formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then substitute the value. Minus of minus 8 plus or minus square root of minus 8 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 180 divided by 2 into 1. So that is plus minus into minus here plus 8 plus or minus square root of 8 square is 64. Here minus into minus plus 4 ones are 4. 4 into 180 is 720 divided by 2. Then 8 plus or minus 784. Square root of 784 divided by 2. Okay, next we'll continue here. So, one second. Is it the next page, Akshay? Yes, no? Yes, here. See, 8 plus or minus square root of 784 is 28 divided by 2. So, the roots are x is equal to 8 plus 28 by 2, that is 36 by 2, 18. Then 8 minus 28 by 2, that is minus 20 by 2, that is 10, minus 10. But here we cannot take that minus 10 no, because x is a large number we are taking. So we have to take the positive value, that is 18. So the large number is 18. Large number is 18. Then the smaller number is square root of 8x, that is 18 to 18, square root of 144. So square root of 144 is 12. So the small number is 12. Okay, small number is 12. Numbers are 18 and 12. 18 and 12. Is that clear? Yes. Next one. 8th problem. So now we have to discuss 8th question. Yes, is there some students waiting in the lobby? Yes. Chatting part is, no one is there. Okay, chatting part, use Pythagoras theorem. Okay, we use Pythagoras theorem only. Thank you. Okay, next. Here cancel one. Okay. So now let us continue 8th question. Okay. So this 8th question is repeatedly we are working this type of problem. Okay. Repeatedly we are working this type of problem. Train problem, boat problem. So all are same type of problem only. A train travels 360 kilometer at a uniform speed. Okay. A train travels 360 kilometer at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, if the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less. So, in the example problem also we have worked out the same type of problem. Okay. So, train speed 5 km per hour ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದರೆ 1 hour ಕಡಿಮೆ ಸಾಕು 360 km reach ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. Okay. So, a train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less. Okay. So then for the same journey, find the speed of the train. So we have to find out the speed of the train here. So we have to take the initial speed of the train Bx. Okay. So we have to take the initial speed of the train Bx. If the speed is increased by 5 km per hour, then what happened to speed actually? Initial speed is x. For that initial speed, if the 5 km per hour speed is added, then x plus 5. Now the speed is x plus 5. Then the difference between the first speed and the second speed is 1 hour. So they have given, no, in the initial speed, x speed, train will cover 360 kilometer. Okay. So for if 5 kilometer per hour extra speed is there, then 1 hour less we need. So difference between the first speed and the second speed time is 1 hour. So here we have skipped some step. Which step actually? Applying the science formula. Time taken to cover 360 kilometer is equal to, in the initial speed is distance divided by speed, that is 360 divided by x. Next, if the speed is increased, then 360 divided by x plus 5. Time taken to cover is 360 divided by x plus 5. But the difference between them is 1 hour. That is 360 divided by x minus 360 divided by x plus 5 is equal to 1 hour timing. So here this is the time taken to cover in the initial speed. This is the time taken when the speed is increased 5 km per hour. Okay. So it takes 1 hour less. That's why. So 360 by x minus 360 divided by x plus 5, which is equal to 1. Got the idea of this concept, students? Do you have any confusion here? See here x is there, only x. Here we added x plus 5. So which one is greater here? 360 by x. Okay. So here x plus 5. Okay. Denominator ge matte 5 extra add aaytu. So this is bigger. Bigger minus smaller, which is equal to 1 hour. Difference between these two timings, which is equal to 1 hour. Okay. So then x into x plus 5 is the LCM. We have to take the LCM to operate this one. 360 divided by x minus 360 divided by x plus 5. Their LCM is x into x plus 5. Then what you will get here? We multiplied x into x plus 5, that is x square plus 5x. So here we'll get actually 360x plus 1800 into x plus 5. Okay. So actually she skipped one step. Which step actually? 360 divided by x. See here. 360 divided by x minus 360 divided by x plus 5 is equal to 1 hour. Now then 360. See here. LCM is x into x plus 5 is LCM. So then here x is there, 360 into x plus 5 minus is already x plus 5 is there, 360 into x, which is equal to 1. This step is escaped. Okay. So next 360 into x is 360x. Then 360 into 5 is 1800. So minus 360x divided by x into x is x square. Then x into 5 is 5x, which is equal to 1. Now you got the connection now? Yes, got the idea of this step? Now 360x minus 360x get cancelled. Plus 360x minus 360x get cancelled. So here 1800. So divided by x square plus 5x is equal to 1. Now let us transfer this x square plus 5x to this side. That is 1800 is equal to x square plus 5x. Now we have to arrange this in the quadratic form. That is x square plus 5x. Take this 1800 to this side minus 1800, which is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Got the idea of this problem, no students? So x square plus 5x minus 1800, which is equal to 0. So here a value is 1, b is equal to 5, c is equal to 1800 minus 1800. Now we have to use the quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, that is equal to minus 5 plus or minus square root of here 25 minus 4 into 1 into minus 1800 divided by 2. This calculation and all you have got the clear picture now. Only these things are important. So this is very important actually. If you got the proper quadratic equation, then next step will be no problem. So first you have to go, actually you have to read the statement properly and you have to convert that statement into quadratic equation. That is the important work. Okay. Yes, got the idea of this problem, the students. So you will get repeatedly this type of question. So you have to make practice this one. Here we have applied actually Time is equal to distance divided by speed. This is distance divided by speed. Distance divided by speed when it is increased to 5 centimeter. Difference between both the speed, time taken is 1 hour extra. Okay, so 1 hour less. So difference between these two speeds is equal to 1 hour. Got the idea? Got the idea of this problem, students? Do you have any confusion regarding this? Do you have any confusion regarding this? See, now let us continue this question actually. Here we got minus 5 plus or minus square root of 25 plus 7200 divided by 2. Then minus 5 plus or minus square root of 7225 divided by 2. Then minus 5 plus or minus 85 by 2. Then roots are x is equal to minus 5 plus 85 by 2. Then minus 5 minus 85 by 2. Here 80 by 2. Here minus 90 by 2. Here x is equal to 40, here x is equal to minus 45. Speed of the train always be in the positive value. So speed of the train is positive, that is 40 kilometer per hour. Got the idea of this problem, students? Speed of the train will be 40 kilometer per hour. Got the idea of this concept? Yes? Do you have any confusion regarding this train problem? Science formula. So, okay? Time which is equal to distance divided by speed concept we are using. Same to same example problem we worked out that day. Okay? Yes. So now we'll continue. So, ninth question. Yes. Here we have ninth problem solution actually. Ninth problem. So this is also a different type of problem, but it is also easy. See here, first I'll read the question, listen carefully. Two water taps can fill a tank in 9 hole 3 by 8 hours. Okay, 9 hole 3 by 8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one. ಸೊ ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ಲಾರ್ಜರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಲಾರ್ಜರ್ ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ಗೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಸಾಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ ವಾಟರ್ ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಎಸ್, 2 ವಾಟರ್ ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಎರಡೂನು ಅಟ್ ಎ ಟೈಮ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ 9 ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಏನೋ ಬೇಕು. 9 ಹೋಲ್ 3 by 8 hours. ಓಕೆ, the tap of the larger diameter takes 10 hours less, okay, than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Separate ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಲಾರ್ಜರ್ ಒನ್ ಗೆ 10 hours separate ಸಾಕು, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಸಾಕು ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. ಎರಡನ್ನು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದೊಡ್ಡದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಬೇಕು, ಸಣ್ಣದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಲೆಟ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಬೈ ದ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಪೈಪ್ ಟು ಫಿಲ್ ದ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರೋದೇನು ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಬೈ ದ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಪೈಪ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಪೈಪ್. ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಪೈಪ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋ ಟೈಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಬೈ ದ ಲಾರ್ಜರ್ ಪೈಪ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಈ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಪೈಪ್ ಗಿಂತ 10 hours ಕಡಿಮೆ ಸಾಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 10 hours ಲೆಸ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಬೈ ದ ಲಾರ್ಜರ್ ಪೈಪ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, x minus 10 hour ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಬೈ ದ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಪೈಪ್ ಟು ಫಿಲ್ ದ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಈಸ್ x hour. Then time taken by the larger pipe is x minus 10 hour. Got the idea? This is actually first statement. Next, part of tank filled by the small pipe in 1 hour. Now we are converting this situation into 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ತುಂಬುತ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Okay, part of the tank filled by the small pipe in 1 hour. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 1 hour ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತದೆ, 1 by x. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇದು 1 hour. ನಾವು ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು. ಸೊ 1 hour ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪೈಪ್ ಇನ್ 1 hour. 1 hour ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫಿಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ ದಟ್ 1 hour, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 by x. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಲಾರ್ಜರ್ ಪೈಪ್ ಇನ್ 1 hour. Part of tank filled by larger pipe in 1 hour is 1 by x minus 10. 1 by x minus 10. Then it is given that actually, so both the tank can be filled. Okay, it is given that the tank can be filled in actually 9 whole 3 by 8. So we have to convert this into improper fraction. That is, so here from multiplication and then addition, you all know this one, no? 75 by 8 hours by both the pipes together. 75 by 8 hours by both the pipes together. ಎರಡು ಪೈಪ್ ಅನ್ನ at a time ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟರೊಳಗಡೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫಿಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 75/8. ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ 1 ಅವರ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 1/75/8 ಆಗಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್, ಇದನ್ನು 1 ಅವರ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 1 ಅವರ್ 1/75/8 ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಆದಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, 8/75. ಗಾಟ್ ದ ಐಡಿಯಾ? 8/75. ನೋಡಿ 75/8 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು 8/75 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಡಾಟಾವನ್ನ 1 ಅವರ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಅಟ್ ಎ ಟೈಮ್ ಸೇರಿದಾಗ ಇಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಬೇಕು 1 ಅವರ್ಗೆ. 1/x plus 1/x minus 10 is equal to 8/75. So got the idea, no? So 1 hour, actually ಇದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪೈಪ್, ಲಾರ್ಜರ್ ಪೈಪ್ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಸೊ 1 ಅವರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ತುಂಬತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8/75 hours. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 8/75. why 8/75? here 75/8 is there. 1 ಅವರ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದು ಸೊ 1 divided by 75/8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. that is 8/75. So now same to same step, 1/x plus 1/x minus 10 is equal to 8/75. So here LCM is x into x minus 10, or LCM ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ, x into x minus 10 ಅನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು whole equation ಗೆ, or you can do with the x into x minus 10. same to same step only you will get. X into x minus 10 is LCM. Then here x minus 10 plus x you will get, which is equal to 8/75. Then here x plus x is 2x. Then minus 10 divided by here x into x minus 10 is equal to 8/75. Then cross multiplication. So here 75 into cross multiplication ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ. 75 into 2x minus 10 which is equal to 8 into x minus 10 ಅದನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ x square minus 10x, that is 8x square minus 80x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So next 150x minus 750 which is equal to 8x square minus 80x. ಸೊ ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಒನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅನ್ನ 0 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅವಾಗ 8x square minus 230x plus 750 which is equal to 0. So 8x square minus 230x ಯಾಕೆ, ಈ 150x ಅನ್ನ ಈಚೆ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಬನ್ನಿ, minus 150x. ಅವಾಗ minus 80x minus 150x is minus 230x. Okay, so then minus 750 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದಾಗ plus 750 which is equal to 0. So we got the quadratic equation as 8x square minus 230x plus 750 which is equal to 0. Now this is the quadratic equation. So further you can continue. Okay, divided by 2. Yes, we can make the equation simple. ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ next continue ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ full. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ನೀವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನ ಇನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು, ಆರ್ ಹೀಗೇನು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್. Okay, 8x square minus 230x plus 750 which is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. Then work out roots. Find out the roots of the equation. So then you will get the roots of the equation. Got the idea of this problem, students? See here once again. Time taken by the smaller pipe to fill the tank x. Smaller pipe in a time x. Larger pipe in a time x minus 10. Then part of the tank filled by the smaller pipe is 1/x. In 1 hour is 1/x. Part of the tank filled by the larger pipe in 1 hour, that is 1/x minus 10. It is given that the tank can be filled in, okay, so 9 whole 3/8 hours, that is 75/8 hours by both the pipes together in the sense addition, 1/x plus 1/x minus 10 which is equal to 1 divided by 75/8. So we are converting all the values for 1 hour, then it is 8/75. Okay, then next step and all you have got the idea, no? So yes, do you have any confusion regarding this? See, if you have any confusion regarding this, you can discuss with me, okay? So later you can call. ನೀವು ನಾವು ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ 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 ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್. ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನೀವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಮಾತಾಜಿ ನನಗೆ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಎಸ್. ಓಕೆ. Stop sharing 1 second. Don't go anywhere. So because we didn't got the meeting warning, okay, still time is there. So we'll continue with the next problem. Okay, sharing part is over. So next 2 problems will work out. Is that clear? Yes. Next one question. Next one question is also same to same like train problem. Train problem. We'll work out this problem. An express train takes. So we are working 10th question actually. See that question carefully. An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train. An express train takes 1 hour less than the passenger train to travel 132 kilometer between Mysore and Bangalore. Okay, between Mysore and Bangalore. Without taking into consideration the time they stop at intermediate station. Okay, we have to neglect that one, intermediate stations and our time. Okay, if the average speed of the express train is 1 kilometer per hour more than that of the passenger train, if the average speed of the express train is 11 kilometer, sorry, 1 ಅಂತ ಓದ್ದಲ್ಲ ನಾನು, 11 kilometer per hour more than that of the passenger train, find the average speed of 2 trains. Find the average speed of 2 trains. Same to same like which one? Train problem. 8th question. So can we start the problem now? Which one we have to take X here? Which one we have to take X here? Yes, tell me fatafat. I have to give the ideas to solve the problems, no? So here what is given actually? Express train and passenger train. Passenger train. Which one we have to take as X? Passenger train only X, or what we have to take it as X? Passenger train, okay? Passenger train speed, very good. Passenger train speed. Let the speed of the passenger train be X kilometer per hour. First step, thank you so much. Okay, let the speed of the passenger train be X kilometer per hour. Next, speed of the express train. An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train, okay, to travel 132 kilometer, okay. So next, if the average speed of the express train is 11 kilometer per hour more than the passenger train, 11 kilometer more than the passenger train, in the sense X plus 11 alva. Next, speed of the express train, speed of the express train is equal to X plus 11 kilometer per hour. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಹಾಗೆ ಇತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 5 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅಂದಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಸೊ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾಸೆಂಜರ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಯಾಸೆಂಜರ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಗಿಂತ 11 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 11 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್. ಗಾಟ್ ದ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್? ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಟ್ರೈನು? 132 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ? ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಟು ಕವರ್ 132 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಪ್ಯಾಸೆಂಜರ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟೈಮ್ ಫುಲ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಕವರ್ 132 kilometer. Next, how can we continue? Time taken to cover 132 kilometer for passenger train. For passenger train will take, for passenger train passenger train which is equal to, okay, time which is equal to distance divided by speed. Distance is 132 kilometer divided by passenger train speed is x. 132 divided by x. See students, I got the meeting warning. If the meetings ends, okay, join with the same link for further 5 minutes, because already we started this problem, no? At least we have to end this problem, no? That's why if the meeting ends, join with the same link for further 5 minutes, okay? We'll end this problem. Is it clear? Is it okay? Yes? Okay. Yes, see here, time taken to cover 132 kilometer for passenger train is 132 divided by x. Now, time taken to cover 132 kilometer for express train. Express train which is equal to 132 divided by x plus 11. Distance divided by speed. Got the idea of this one? Yes. Once again, I'll read the first statement. An express train takes 1 hour less than the passenger train. Again, here timings difference is 1 hour. So then according to statement, okay, according to statement, same to same. Difference between the timings is, that is 132 by x minus 132 divided by x plus 11, which is equal to 1. Got the idea of this one, students? Okay, so got the idea? So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೇಕು, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 1 hour ಕಡಿಮೆ ಸಾಕು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇವೆರಡರದ್ದು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ 1. Got the idea? 132 by x minus 132 divided by x plus 11, which is equal to 1. Now which step you have to follow? LCM method. So you have to take the LCM. Okay, so now LCM method you can follow. So you can take 132 as a common factor. ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ 132 ನೀವು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, or you can continue with 132 only. So which method will follow? Can we take 132 as a common factor? After all simplification, we'll multiply that 132. Now we are taking 132 as a common factor. Now here 1 by x is remaining, here 1 by x plus 11 is remaining, which is equal to 1. Let us keep 132 for some time outside as a common factor. Now 132 into, here x into x plus 11 is LCM. Then here 1 into x plus 11 minus here x, okay, which is equal to 1. Now I'll continue here. 132 into here x plus 11 minus x, that is plus x minus x get cancelled. 11 divided by x square plus 11x, which is equal to 1. Okay, 11 divided by x square plus 11x is equal to 1. Now what happens actually? What is the next step? Which is the next step? Which is the next step? So we have to multiply here. We have to multiply 132 into 11. Then we have to transfer this x square plus 11x to that side. Yes, now tell me. 132 into 11. 132 into 11. I need the answer from your side. 132 into 11. Yes, 1452. Yes, 1452, which is equal to, transfer this x square plus 11x to that side. X square plus 11x. Then x square plus 11x minus 1452, which is equal to 0. Is it a linear quadratic equation? Yes. Did you got the same quadratic equation? You just verify your answer. X square plus 11x minus 1452. Is it right answer? Now you have to tell me. So whether we are right or wrong. Yes. Yes. Same answer. Okay. X square plus 11x minus 1452, which is equal to 0. This is the equation. Got the idea of this type of problem, the student? 1 hour less type situation. So got the idea of this type of problem now? Yes, do you have any confusion regarding this now? X square plus 11x minus 1452 is equal to 0. Now, using quadratic formula, you have to find out the roots. Next, you can continue, no? Using quadratic formula, you have to find out the roots. Next, you have to continue. Last one problem is there. That is very simple problem only. Can we finish in 5 minutes? Can you join with the same link for one more meeting? Yes? Otherwise, last one problem.